Welcome back to Wisdom Forge. Today we're diving into something raw, something real. What happens to you after betrayal? After the humiliation. After the moment the world showed you its true face.
And I want to start by saying this: if you've been betrayed, if you've been broken, if someone looked at you and decided you were disposable, first of all, you're not alone. But second, and more importantly, that moment might be the most powerful thing that ever happened to you.
That's the paradox, isn't it? We spend so much time trying to heal from betrayal when we should be studying it. Because every betrayal is data. It tells you exactly who someone is under pressure. It reveals the architecture of their loyalty and, more importantly, the gaps in your own awareness.
Machiavelli understood this centuries ago. The world is not a fairy tale. It is a battlefield of perception, of leverage, of strategic movement. And the people who thrive in that world aren't the ones who are the kindest or the most trusting, they're the ones who see clearly.
Cold clarity. That's the phrase that really hits me. Not bitterness. Bitterness is just weakness wearing a mask of strength. But clarity. The ability to look at what happened to you without flinching and ask, what does this teach me about human nature?
And the answer is always the same. People are moved by fear, by need, by power. Not by love or moral obligation alone. That sounds harsh, but once you accept it, you stop being naive. You stop handing your emotional keys to people who haven't earned them.
This is where reconstruction begins. Because surviving betrayal isn't enough. You have to evolve. You have to take that wound and forge it into something sharp. Your pain becomes fuel. Your humiliation becomes armor. Your brokenness becomes the hunger that drives you to build something unbreakable.
And that starts with discipline. Not rage, rage burns out. Not sadness, sadness drowns you. Discipline. Waking early. Training your body. Reading deeply. Building your willpower the way others build savings accounts, slowly, consistently, without compromise.
There's also something powerful in the idea of perception as a weapon. You don't have to announce your transformation. You don't have to explain yourself to anyone. You simply become someone different. Calmer. More deliberate. More silent. And that silence, that unreadability, that is more intimidating than anything you could say.
Scarcity breeds value. The less access people have to you, the more they crave it. If they once saw you as disposable, make yourself rare. If they once dismissed you, make yourself essential. That is the quiet revolution happening inside you right now.
And here's the ultimate truth: the greatest revenge isn't vengeance. It isn't even forgiveness, necessarily. It's becoming untouchable. It's the moment when the person who betrayed you realizes their betrayal was the very thing that ignited your rise.
Their weapon became your crown. And that is power. That is the Wisdom Forge message. You are not here to be comforted. You are here to be recalibrated. So rise, sharper, colder, more deliberate than ever before.
If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, every scar is a message. Learn the language. We'll see you next time on Wisdom Forge.